Hey guys, gonna show today how I fixed my storm door dampener. Ever since I moved into the home, I've kind of been going with bigger and thicker screws as these screw holes continue to get more and more beat up. Gonna do a little trick with filling in these holes with toothpicks and glue. All right, finished taking out the last of the screws. You can see how much force is being applied. Bent the screw head on this one and completely broke that one. So unfortunately gonna have some cleaning up. Need to find which one it broke off inside and pull it out. And then from there, gonna get some smaller screws after I do the fix. So I'm putting these in, just kind of adding more and more. I'm gonna do this with every hole. So that looks like it won't fit anymore. Just gonna leave this kind of right there and start working on the next one. Okay, that's where my broken bolt is. As you can see, I got varying levels of hole thickness. So you can see here, just two, handful there, quite a bit more there. We'll find out that one a little bit later. I added some wood filler. Gonna end up sanding and flattening this out and then touching up a little bit with brown paint. Couldn't get the screw extractor to pull it out, so I ended up just kind of hammering it and pushing it in. It's pushed in there, and actually I think it fell down into the recess back there, but now I'm just gonna fill up this one. Okay, as you can see, the new screw that we're putting in there is a lot smaller. I think it'll hold well. It's got some nice teeth to it, but it will at some point work its way out, and then we can move up to a larger screw like the one on top. So hopefully get another 8 years out of this. Okay, I went ahead and placed it about where it was last time, made some marks. Now I'm gonna pre-drill a really small hole in all 4 spots and then hand tighten with a screwdriver. Okay, no splitting or cracking or weird sounds. I mean, it's pretty much just the sounds that you would expect. Screwing into normal wood, so that's a good sign. And that is not moving anywhere, so let's go ahead and make the connection. Fully open. Looking good. I'll just do a little touch-up paint and clean up in this area. You should be good. As mentioned earlier, we've linked all of these items in the video description below. Which, by the way, if you click one of those links and buy something, shortly after I might get a small kickback. Also, there's a new way to help small creators as myself via the Super Thanks button below the video. And of course it wouldn't be a video from the internet if I didn't ask for a subscribe. At least my pleading was at the end of the video, so you didn't have to sit through that before getting the information you came for. Regardless of what you may or may not do, I appreciate your time. Feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions. I rarely let one go without a response.